Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is ExcelIsFun. If you're new here, you're welcome to this channel. On today's episode, we'll be talking about the tools you need to master if you're considering a career in data analytics. First on my list would be to master Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is the #1 spreadsheet in the world. Virtually all organizations use Microsoft Excel. And if you're considering a data analyst role, you should master Microsoft Excel. You need to learn the basics down to the advanced. And there are a couple of functions you need to master how it works. Start with the sum function, the if, the count function, the VLOOKUPs. And if you want to take it a step higher, you should also master Power Query in Microsoft Excel. Master how macro works, because you can use macro to, automate repetitive tasks. But then the last but not the least with Microsoft Excel will be for you to master visualization. Learn how to use the charts, the graphs that you have to create visuals, because the knowledge of your visualization with Microsoft Excel will be very beneficial when you're learning one of the tools that I'm going to mention later in this video. The next on my list is SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and it is used for querying database. You can query your database, you can mine data from the database using SQL, and I would say that this should be bread and butter for anyone that is looking to take up a career in data analysis. You should master the commands in SQL. You need to master it and know how it works. And there are a couple of functions as well in SQL that you need to have at your fingertip. Starting from the aggregate and non-aggregate functions, you should know how and when you need to use each of the specific functions. Moving on will be for you to learn one or two of the business intelligence tools. There are a couple of business intelligence tools around the world right now. Just to mention a few, we have PowerBI, we have Tableau, we have ClickSense, we have Looker. So I would advise that you master how to use one or two. I would say start with PowerBI. I'm starting with PowerBI because it is user friendly. Almost all organizations use PowerBI as their BI tool. Master how it works. Depending on the sector you're in or the field you want to work, you want to do your own work and research the tools that are used in those sectors. Moving on, the next one will be Python. Now, there's high demand for analysts who are proficient in Python. So you can take it a step further to learn Python. Now, Python is used in different fields, starting from web development, data science, data analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. So if you want to take it a step higher, I would advise you learn Python, be proficient in this tool. This would help you and also help you to land a job quickly. And if you're wondering where to learn all of these tools that I've talked about, you can leverage on Udemy, Coursera, edX, and also there are some dedicated YouTube channels to each of these tools. I will link them in the description box. Ensure to check them. My last advice would be, when you're practicing, ensure you practice with data sets that is related to the field that you're interested in. Till I see you in my next video, keep learning and feel free to ask me any question that you have as relates to data analysis. See you!